Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Sharechat is hiring for backend developers. So the job role for this is software development engineering, and they are looking for a backend developer. And the job location for this is Bangalore, and the skills that is needed for this is you need to have 1 to 2 years of experience with a bachelor's in computer science or any other related field. So you need to have at least 1 year of experience for this job role. And next thing is you need to have a knowledge of either Node.js or Python or Java. And towards the backend you need to have knowledge of the database SQL, or then after that MongoDB. You can have a knowledge of any one of database. It can be MongoDB or DynamoDB, then Redis or Elasticsearch and Vue.js. And next thing is the strong software development fundamentals, that is data structures, algorithms, problem solving, OO design, that is object oriented design, and the systems architecture. And next thing is you need to have an excellent verbal and written communication skills and interpersonal skills, and you need to have a self-motivated attitude. So these are the skills that is needed for this job role. So it is the company name is Sharechat, and the job role is software development engineering, and the location for this is Bangalore. And we shall quickly see how does the application form looks like. So the application form is very simple. You need to mention your first name, last name, email address, phone number, as well as the years of experience. So if you do not have any years of experience, you can mention 0. That is no problem. So even like you have done internship on the same like Python or Java, so then you can mention that. So here you can say the 0 years of experience, or if you have any years of experience, then you can mention that. And next thing is the current CTC. If you have the current CTC, you can mention, else you can mention 0. Then expected CTC, you can mention any CTC that you wish, that is around 3 to 4 LPA, whichever. And next thing, that too based on your experience. So if you have more experience, you can mention the salary based on your skills, or if you are a fresher, you can mention 3 LPA, that is fine. And next thing is the notice period. So you can mention the number of days, within 15 days, 20 days. And then lastly, you need to upload the resume. So that to updated resume, and don't forget to mention the skills which they need. So add those skills and update your resume, and you can upload it here. So this is all about the application form. So you can quickly apply for this, and the application link will be provided in the description, so you can apply for that. So this is all about the Sharechat. So the location is Bangalore, and you need to have a knowledge of any one of the programming language, and basically they are hiring for backend developers. So you need to have knowledge of any backend programming language, Java or Python, and then knowledge of any database. It can be that too the new technologies like the MongoDB. So that is one which is commonly used. It can be MongoDB or DynamoDB. So whichever you can mention those skills in the resume. And next thing is you need to have knowledge of data structures and problem solving skills. So this is all about the company, that is Sharechat. You can quickly go and apply for the same. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.